Hello students, let's start the new chapter of the SST book that is given on page number 71, chapter number 10, our important industries. Okay, so in this chapter we will study about the importance of industries, which you have learned about the industries in the previous class. In this you will learn its importance. Okay, so let's start. Industries play a vital role in the growth and development of a nation. The progress of a country depends to a great extent on the growth of the industries it has. So, industries plays an important role in the economic growth of our country, okay, and it helps in the development of our nation. So, the progress or the development of a country depends on the growth of the industries, means because the industries materials, whatever the outputs are, they are being exported to other countries also, and in return we get money or foreign exchange for that. Okay, and industries also provide employment so to the people of our country, and industries also fulfill our basic needs and requirements. So that's why industries plays an important role in our life. So now let's study what is an industry. Industry is a place where raw materials are converted into useful finished goods. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि इंडस्ट्री इट इज़ अ प्लेस जहाँ पे जो रॉ मटेरियल्स होते हैं, लाइक रॉ मटेरियल्स में क्या हो सकते हैं, लाइक जो कॉटन होता है, ओके, कॉटन्स दे आर यूज फॉर द फैब्रिक्स क्लोथ्स, राइट, कॉटन से क्या बनता है, क्लोथ्स बनते हैं दैट वी कैरी, एंड दिस रॉ मटेरियल्स द बेसिक नीडेड टू मैन्युफैक्चर एनी प्रोडक्ट, किसी भी प्रोडक्ट को बनाने के लिए जो रॉ मटेरियल्स, जो बेसिक मटेरियल्स जो होते हैं वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जिन्हें हम रॉ मटेरियल्स कहते हैं, एंड दिस रॉ मटेरियल्स आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू अ फिनिश्ड गुड. सो जैसे कि अगर सपोज इंडस्ट्री है ब्रेड बनाने की, तो ब्रेड बनाने की इंडस्ट्रीज में जो रॉ मटेरियल्स क्या हो सकते हैं, फ्लोर हो सकते हैं, राइट, शुगर होता है. सो दीज आर द रॉ मटेरियल्स फॉर कन्वर्टिंग दैट इनटू अ ब्रेड दैट इज द फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट. तो ब्रेड हमारा क्या हो गया, वो एक फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट हो गया. जैसे जो हम क्लोथ्स वेयर करते हैं, तो जो हमारा क्लोथ्स है वो थ्रेड्स, ओके, कॉटन से बनता है. जैसे सिल्क के कपड़े बनते हैं, तो वो किससे बनते हैं, सिल्क वॉर्म होते हैं, तो उनसे वो सिल्क निकाला जाता है. तो वो जो सिल्क हो गया, जो उस वॉर्म से निकलता है, दैट विल बी द रॉ मटेरियल. और उससे जो सिल्क की साड़ी निकलती है, कुर्ते निकलते हैं, व्हाटएवर, दैट विल बी द फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट. एंड सो सिल्क विल बी द रॉ मटेरियल, एंड दैट विल द क्लॉथ दैट will be converted, that will be the finished good. So this is the difference. So industry क्या है, वो एक ऐसा place है जहाँ पे raw materials collect किए जाते हैं and they are converted into finished goods that we require in our life. So the basic materials needed to manufacture any product are called raw materials. जैसे कि पेपर बनाना होता है, तो वो wood से बनता है, right? So that will be the raw material to convert that into a paper. Okay, rubber, we use the erasers, right? तो erasers कैसे निकलते हैं, there is a rubber tree plant, उसमें से जो liquid है वो extract किया जाता है उस tree से, so that it is converted into a finished product, that is the eraser. Okay, so agriculture products like cotton and sugar cane are used in textile and sugar industries. जैसा कि मैंने बताया, like cotton, okay, and sugar cane, जो गन्ना होता है, they are used in textiles and sugar कपड़े बनते हैं। एंड शुगर इंडस्ट्रीज, चीनी बनाने के लिए हमें जो रॉ मटेरियल ज़रूरत होती है वो क्या होता है, शुगर केन, गन्ना। सो मिनरल्स लाइक आयरन, bauxite, limestone and coal are used as raw materials in the industries that produce। अब देखिए मिनरल्स जो होते हैं, हमने पढ़ा था प्रीवियस क्लास में, मेटेलिक, नॉन मेटेलिक एंड फ्यूल मिनरल्स होते हैं, राइट। तो मेटेलिक या नॉन मेटेलिक मिनरल्स होते हैं लाइक आयरन, बॉक्साइट, लाइमस्टोन एक्सेट्रा। दे आर carried to the industries and with the help of them steel, aluminium, fertilizers, paper, cement etc. are produced. Now let's come to the next point, that is factors that decide the location of an industry. Okay, what are the factors? एक इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करने के लिए कौन सा प्लेस या जगह सुटेबल होता है, बिकॉज इंडस्ट्रीज कांट बी सेटअप एनीवेयर, कहीं पे भी इंडस्ट्रीज आप सेटअप नहीं कर सकते हो। देयर शुड बी सम फेवरेबल कंडीशंस टू सेट अप अ इंडस्ट्री। सो देयर आर मेनी फैक्टर्स दैट डिसाइड द लोकेशन ऑफ एन इंडस्ट्री। बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स हैं। ओके, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज फाइनेंस। फाइनेंस क्या होता है? फाइनेंस मीन्स द मनी यू कैन से, और द कैपिटल, जो पूंजी लगती है, विदाउट विच वी कैनॉट सेट अप और रन एन इंडस्ट्री। किसी भी इंडस्ट्री को सेटअप करने के लिए जो सबसे पहली चीज होती है वो होती है फाइनेंस, दैट इज मनी। ओके, फाइनेंस इज द फर्स्ट basic need to set up a industry. So industries are set up on the basis of availability of raw materials. The second point is availability of raw material. Okay, second point is availability of raw material. Then the third is power. The third is power. Fourth is transport and communication. Transport and communication. Okay, and the last one is power we have discussed. Okay. The last one you can say the people, okay, the employees needed for set up an industries. Now we will go through with these points. First is finance. So finance is the most important part to set up an industry. Industries are set up on the basis of availability of raw materials in an area. So the second one is availability of raw materials. So raw materials are required in an area. जो raw industries में अगर हमें कोई प्रोडक्ट बनाना है तो उसके लिए the second most important thing will be the raw materials. Okay, like for setting up for textile industries हमें raw material cotton की ज़रूरत होती है. Okay, for producing sugar or set up sugar industry. We need sugarcane as a raw material. So for example, textile mills are located near cotton growing areas. जहाँ पे cotton उगाए जाते हैं वहाँ पे basically textile mills set up किए जाते हैं. Why? Because so that it is easily feasible. Okay, easy to transport. So sugar industries are set up where sugarcane is grown on a large scale. Like we can see our state, that is Uttar Pradesh, it produces the maximum sugarcane. Okay, that you know. फिर महाराष्ट्र हो गया, तमिलनाडु हो गया. So these are some states that produces sugarcane as a raw material. So sugar industries are set up where sugarcane is grown on a large scale, and you can see in our state also that in Uttar Pradesh there are many sugar cane industries. आपने भी देखा होगा. So because sugarcane is grown on large scale in our state. Most industries need power for running machinery. So the third important part is that is the machines. जो रॉ मटेरियल्स जाते हैं इंडस्ट्रीज में, how they will be converted into finished product. For that, machines are required, right? So hence power is an important factor. That is an important power. Electricity की बहुत ही ज़रूरत है to set up an industry. Transport and communication are also important aspects, and raw materials have to be brought to the industries and finished goods have to be carried to the markets. So transport and communication, that is to transport the goods from one place to another. Okay. Transport and communication. Communication here means the passing of messages or communicating each other through the means of, you can say, telephone, with phone, mails, emails, this all can be included in communication. So these are the important aspects to set up an industry. So raw materials have to be brought to the industries and finished goods have to be carried to the markets. So to carry the finished goods from the industries to different shops or markets, transport is required. Transport means the vehicles to transport the goods from one place to another. Some industries also depend on water and suitable climate to produce their goods. So the last factor would be water and climate. So कई इंडस्ट्रीज होते हैं जहाँ पे क्लाइमेट एंड वाटर फैक्टर भी मैटर करते हैं. Like some industry also depends on water and suitable climate to produce their goods. Like for example, I can say the sugar cane. Producing of an sugar cane, it requires a tropical region. Tropical region like Uttar Pradesh, the climate is the place is like it is a tropical region where sugarcane is grown. So it depends upon water. There should be availability of water also, and the climate should also be suitable for setting industry. So students, in the next class we will learn about the classification of industries, like classification based on raw materials. It can be classified into agriculture based industries and mineral based industries. Now the classification based on investment, okay, investment, that will be a large scale. Like investments means how much money we can invest in to set up an industry. Like it could be classification based on investments are like large scale industries, medium scale industries and small scale industries. About this we will learn in the next part of this class. Thank you students.